So yes, you can make wax seal wax out of crayons and glue sticks. However, let's make our own DIY colors. So what exactly is a crayon? A crayon is made of paraffin wax and candle dye, basically. Looks something like this here. But let's say you don't have the right color crayon and you want to make your own color. In this instance, we made kind of an aqua blue color. This time we're going to make purple. The ingredients you're going to need paraffin wax pellets of some kind and some low temp glue sticks. If you have like all temperature, that works fine. Next, you want to take a silicone liner and put it on a scale because we need a 2-to-1 ratio of paraffin wax and glue sticks. So we put in 20 grams of paraffin wax. This will give us our 1. Next comes approximately 2 times that in glue sticks. There we go. Boom. Next, you're going to want to cut up the hot glue sticks into little bitty pellets. This makes it melt faster, and then crank up your melter all the way up to the top if you're using one of these. If you have your own melter, go by that temperature. I kind of want to make them glittery, so we're also going to use some fantasy purple mica powder. This will give it a nice shimmer. I also found that it's best to melt down the wax before you add any coloration. That way you have more control over the way the final color looks. In the original video, we used these pellets to make them. However, since then, we have made our own silicone mold using small hot glue sticks. We had 4 hot glue stick shapes, which allow us to cut it up. We found this to be the much easier way than doing it in pellets because, well, wax is sticky and messy. It is also totally normal for the glue sticks to take so much longer than the wax to melt, which is why we use a silicone lined wax melter like this so that we don't burn the wax. So once everything is fully melted, you want to mix it really good, and then we can add our pigment. Skidoosh. Now we just mix this together thoroughly. Let's go. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my god. Now with that thoroughly mixed, we are ready to pour up into our glue stick mold. Let's go. This would be why we have the silicone liner. This is very, very hot, so be extremely careful with this part. But you're going to want to pour up your mold to the best of your ability. And you can scrape off the excess wax. That is no big deal. So we'll fill this mold up. Yeah, those are looking good. Let's demold that and see what they look like. Fun fact, we made this mold specifically so that we could put these inside of a hot glue gun, and ended up not doing that. The next thing we'll do is we'll test one of these. So let's put it in our little furnace and let it melt. Now with our wax all melted, let's officially test it. Boom. Now let's take a look at how that looks. Let's put some color on that. Boom. Let's go, son. Mandatory ASMR peeling video. This little bonus content here at the end. Let's clean this out. Oh, come on out there. Come on out there. Y'all don't forget to stay hydrated, dude. It takes a lot of work sometimes to make these videos, but whenever you're through, it's worth it. Let's go. Just like you guys. Totally worth it. Somebody said I needed to remake it, so we remade it. And now we have some beautiful purple. And then cleaning up this wax mold. Oh, look at that. So easy. So easy compared to anything else. And then boom, just kind of shake that out and boom, you're ready to make the next color, right? Y'all, stay hydrated, have a great night, clean as you go. I will catch you on the next video. Peace, dudes!